Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Commerce Tutorpedia. In this video, we are going to discuss about Lorenz curve and I'm going to give you the full explanation about this particular topic. Now this topic is helpful for the exams like NET JRF and also for the exams of college lecturer. Okay, so let us start discussing this topic with the definition of Lorenz curve, and we are also going to discuss about the construction of Lorenz curve, which is the most important part of this topic. So what is a Lorenz curve? Lorenz curve is a graphical measure which is used for estimating inequalities in distribution. Okay, you may have heard of statements like top 10% of the people of a country earns 50% of the national income while the 20% account for 80%. Now how do we came to such conclusions? How do we calculate the inequalities? So to calculate those inequalities we use Lorenz curve. Okay. So Lorenz curve uses information expressed in a cumulative manner to indicate the degree of inequality. Alright. For example, Lorenz curve of income gives a relationship between percent of population and its share of income in total income. And it is specifically used in comparing the variability of two or more Lorenz curves on the same axis. Okay, so that is it for the theoretical part of Lorenz curve, and now we are going to understand the construction of the Lorenz curve, and I am going to discuss it with this table. Okay, now approximately there are 9 steps that we need to follow. There are 9 steps that we need to follow for the construction of Lorenz curve, and it will comprise of 2 tables. Okay, first we will calculate the percentage of frequencies and percent of total income. So how we will do that? For the first step we will calculate the mid values. Okay, mid values from the class intervals. So we already know how to calculate mid values. So the second column will be prepared with the help of the first column. We have been given with the frequency corresponding to the class intervals. So for the fourth column or for the second step, you can say we have to calculate the estimated total income of employees in each class by multiplying the mid values of the class by the frequency in the class. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to multiply the column second to third and we will get the fourth. This is how we will get the total income. Now we need to calculate the percent of frequency. Okay, express frequency in each class as a percent of total frequency and we will obtain the column 5. Okay, so where is the frequencies? Frequencies are here and we need to use these frequency in order to express the total frequency percent. Okay, and express the total income of each class as a percent of the grand total income of all class together. Okay, now after doing this we have to prepare a less than cumulative frequency and income. Okay, so we are going to use the less than frequency. As we know, we are going to use the upper limits of the class intervals and we are going to use the percent of frequency and percent of total income for the second table. All right. So this is how we are going to make it, this table, and by using this table we are going to construct a Lorenz curve. Okay, so in this Lorenz curve what we have done is we have represented all these values. Okay, we have to draw a line joining coordinates 0 0 with 100 and 100. So we are going to join this with the 100 and 100. Okay, I hope this is understand. 100 and 100 we have joined it over here. Now we will join this over here and we will name it as line of equal distribution. This is the line of equal distribution as it distributes the total graph in 2 parts. Now we are going to plot the cumulative percentages of employee on the horizontal axis and cumulative income on the vertical axis. Okay, all right, and this is going to give us the gate of the line. Okay, so when we will plot this, we will get this as our Lorenz curve. So this is the line of equality, and the more furthest we get the Lorenz curve, this difference will show the inequality of distribution. All right, so how to study this Lorenz curve? OE is the line of equal distribution, since it would imply, what would it imply? Situations like top 20% people earn 20% of the total income and top 60% earn 60% of the total income. Okay, the farther the curve OABCDE from this line, the greater is the inequality present in the distribution. Okay, and if there are two or more curves on the same axis, the one which is the farthest from the OE has the highest inequality. Okay, so this was a very easy topic, yet very important topic. So that is it for today, guys. I hope I was able to make you understand, and please support me by liking and subscribe my channel. Thank you.